Níbo lo gùn? Báwo ló ṣe gùn? Ẹ̀yà gùn kí n máa wo gùn. Ọ̀yà gùn. Mo gbé o. Níbo gùn? Mo gbé o.
Ashabi, your boyfriend once said.
You already shot him up, but you are more kura.
Arike, your boyfriend once said.
But explain that you more powerful.
Ajoke, your boyfriend once said.
Ajoke, gbogbo tó ṣe máa fún mi ní mo máa ń fọ́ fún tó máa ń ṣe gbogbo ẹ̀yẹn. Mo tún láì kàn jẹ́ tó máa bá mi sí.
Abeke, your boyfriend once said.
Mo ṣe Abeke mo ṣe fọ́ fún ọ ní ó kú kó tún kúrò ó tún mọ ṣe orí bẹ́ẹ̀dì ṣe.
Ajoke, your boyfriend once said.
Tí bá ní pé kò já ṣe kiri ló mọ ìfẹ́ tó dúró tó bá ní kó owó ẹ̀ kọ́.
Aduni, your boyfriend once said.
Àwọn tó tẹ̀ máa ń jí sí mi lẹ́nu yẹn mo like.
Ajoke, your boyfriend once said.
If you know that you are not ready to have kids, don't. Stay away from that responsibility because it's a huge responsibility. As a matter of fact, if you know that you are not ready to take care of your children, don't bother to have them. I'm saying it categorically speaking. Now, look at this little boy now. Then look at the other video. You see the comparison. Some people, even Michael Jackson, may his soul continue to rest in peace, king of pop. His success was attributed to his parental upbringing. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Michael Jackson, his parents, especially his father, they started training him and his other siblings right from when they were little. Look at them. Look at them. But some people that have become the most notorious criminals in the history of this country are as a result of wrong parental upbringing. Because most of these parents were not there for them. Now look at this boy now. See, it is not only when you have kids, then you will now begin to say, I have responsibilities now. I need to work more. I need to pay more attention on my business. You need to pay more attention on your kids than your business. Because at the end of the day, when you pay more attention to your business and you have all the billions in this world, if you did not train your children right, those your children will be the one to sell all those your properties. The minute you are gone like this, they'll begin to auction them. I'm telling you. Because even when you have all the billions in this world and you don't have good kids to take care of whatever you are leaving behind, they will sell everything. We see all of these things happening today. Once they pay them fine like this, they will sell all the properties straight, fast, because the parents were not there for them. So parental training, parental guidance is very key. If you know that you are not ready to pay attention and train your kids, don't go there. Don't say, JB, I'm sending money to their mother now. Their mother will take care of them. Whoa. Their mother will do her own bit. But àgbájọwọ́ báyìí ló máa ń gbé ẹrù dórí. Ọwọ́ méjèèjì báyìí ló lè gbé ẹrù dórí. Yes. You have to be there to take care of your kids. You have to be there to take care of you have to train them properly. You have to train them. That is why a lot of kids, they will now fall into the wrong hands because, see, a lot of mistakes most parents make is they distance themselves from their kids. A lot of children, they don't even have the audacity to walk up to their parents and ask normal questions. Daddy, mommy, I felt something in my shey you get. They don't even, they prefer the comfort of their peers, of their friends. Now, by the time you don't have, you are not there for them to ask you questions, to know about life. Because the reason why you are there is for you to guide them through life so they can be better than even you. Now, look at that little boy now. That little boy. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. It is not entirely about, let me make money. When I make money, I will now take care of. No! Morally, you have to be there for them. It is very key. Some parents ọkùnrin mi ó máa jẹ bàbá ńlá kú yà lọ́run as a result of lack of, he was not there for his kids. So even religiously, some people will say ìyà tọkùnrin mi máa jẹ, ìyà tí parent mi máa jẹ nítorí pé ìwà tí ọmọ ẹ bá wù ni, because you are responsible for whatever they do. That is why you have to be there for them. It is not just having the kids, it is taking care of them that matters the most. So please, as parents, let us begin to channel our energy towards training our children right. Some parents, when you ask them, when you go to some people's house, ọmọ yẹn kọ́, Táyọ̀ ńkọ́, Táyọ̀ ti lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ní bíi street kẹta, ó lọ ṣeré ńbẹ̀. Ó ti lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀, Táyọ̀ ti lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ ẹ̀ ní street kẹta. Are you sure Tayo has gone to his friend's place? Really? Some people, you will go to their houses, you ask them, where is your child now? A female child, she has gone to play in her friend's place. In her friend's place. Are you sure she's there? See, some parents, they are so parents to me useless. They be pay. When you go to their house, you will not ask, ọmọ yín kọ́, you will not hear, he has gone to play in his friend's place in the other street. How are you sure? You be to dágbére fún ẹ ló lọ. Some people, you will ask them, where is your kid? Female child though. It will say, she has gone to play in her friend's place. She has gone to play at Chichi's place in the next street. How are you sure she is there? Most of the time, you need to pay unannounced visit to your kids. You need to pay unannounced visit to your kid, because when some people they have kids in the boarding schools, they will now tell them, I'm coming next week on Wednesday, I'll come and check on you. When you are doing that, stop. Don't tell your children that you are coming to see them. Go there unannounced. That way you will catch him or her. Whatever he or she is doing, you will catch him. That is the logic. That is another logic. When you are telling that, some parents, when I was in school now, I've seen some of my friends, they will say, it is when their parent is coming, you will now see that they will now, some female friends, they will now go and cover their hair. They will now be acting like a decent person. But meanwhile, in school, on the norms, so all of these things, if my father is coming to visit me, he will not even tell you anything. You just see him back. Say, Baba, me mo pe nbo, in all those days, when you do things, it is when you are doing things that, don't do things because I'm there. Do things you will do when I'm not even there. That is how you can do things right.